Good evening, guys. How are we all doing? I hope you're all having a good weekend. I am literally so excited about this video. I feel like I've genuinely just thrown this hair and makeup together because I am actually going to the gym straight after this, but I wanted to get this video filmed because it's actually going to be my first autumn winter haul of this year. I feel like autumn winter fashion is just like always my favorite. Like I love wearing like puffy coats, like trench coats, knitwear, like boots, all that kind of thing. Today we're actually going to be doing a MISSGUIDED haul, which you guys know MISSGUIDED is one of my favorite brands. I love working with them. I love the stuff that they bring out this time of year. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I feel like I've not sat down and done a haul in what feels like a really long time. So I'm going to be linking everything down below as always. Obviously it means I get to give you guys a discount code as well. So I'm going to pop it on the screen here and I'll leave it in the description bar down below. There's not like tons of stuff, but I really wanted to get some like cute two pieces. I've also got some stuff from the Carly Bible collection. Hopefully I'm pronouncing her name right. Absolutely love her. She's so gorgeous. First things first, I want to talk about this two-piece here. Right, when I saw this on the website, I was like, you are going in my basket right now. Like, I need this. I feel like I've mentioned this before, but this shade of blue, this like cobalt, like royal blue, I am literally obsessed with. I feel like it makes you look so just like expensive and elegant. It's really, really chic. This is actually like the colour of what my birthday dress was as well. Like this is how much I love this colour. Like I literally picked a birthday dress in this colour because it's just the cutest thing ever. So I saw this set on MISSGUIDED and I was like, I absolutely need that. So this is the top section. It's just a long sleeves like crop top, and it's basically got a twist in the middle there. It's also like a really nice like silky satin colour as well, and it is actually cuffed at the bottom. The sleeves kind of like balloon out a little bit, which I really, really love. I got this in a size 8. It fits so beautifully. Like it's really, really flattering on, really comfortable. Like it's a nice thickish material as well, because I feel like sometimes with stuff that's more like satin or silky, it can be a little bit like flimsy and just not feel that like great on, if you know what I'm saying. Like it feels a bit cheap or whatever. This feels really, really lovely. It feels really great quality. Absolutely love the fit of it. And then the skirt, honestly, like I'm obsessed with this. So this is the skirt here. It's a midi skirt with basically like a knot detail here, so it does kind of split open a little bit. It's kind of up to you as well, like where you place the slit, which I really like. So I placed it more towards like the left side of my body, like across my left leg. But it has a little zip at the back as well to help get it on, and it basically just goes down into a midi skirt. So beautiful. Like if you've got any like Christmas parties or like Christmas nights out, I can't believe I'm even speaking about Christmas, like what the hell is going on, or even just like a night out or whatever it is, I feel like this would look super cute on, just with like a pair of heels and some like accessories. Absolutely obsessed with this. Like I feel like I had to show you guys this first because it's just so gorgeous on. So that is the first thing that I picked up. Okay, next up I'm gonna do some of the Carly Bible pieces. I really hope I'm pronouncing her name right. If I'm not, then obviously tell me. But as I said, like literally love everything about this collection. So this is the first set that I picked up. It's basically a crop top and a pair of trousers. Love the material that they went with for these pieces. So there's kind of like a mix of more like ribbed like cotton, and then we've also got some like fluffy pieces, which I'll show you guys in a second as well. But this one is like a ribbed nude crop top. Absolutely love the neckline on this. Like it kind of dips all the way down and then goes off the shoulder, so it's like partially on the shoulder, partially off the shoulder. Love the fact that it has this kind of like, it's kind of like a little bone in the center of the top that just like gives a little bit of shape. It's like a V shape, and there's also like a little tie at the front as well, which looks really, really cute on. Obviously, like you can pair this with the leggings, like the trousers, or you could wear this with like joggers or jeans or whatever else. Then the trousers are probably my favorite part of the two-piece. I feel like together these are so gorgeous. Like they really, really suit being a set, but obviously like you can pair them with separate things as well. So the trousers again are ribbed. They are actually flared at the bottom as well, which I love a flared trouser. I feel like they're very love or hate. Like you either really like them or you don't. I think they look really cute on. They just like create like a really nice silhouette. You know what I'm saying? There's also this like tassel going all the way around as well, so you can kind of tie this at the back like as tight as you want, and then the front of the waistline is actually dipped slightly, so it looks really, really flattering, like really cute on. Super comfortable. I got these in a size 8. I feel like I actually could have done with them in a 6. That's one thing I'll say about MISSGUIDED as well. I feel like you can always size down if you're in between sizes, because the sizing is pretty like generous and everything's quite stretchy. Really, really love that. Just with a pair of white trainers. You could also wear this with heels and dress it up if you wanted to as well. And then this set, right, so I saw this and I was like, do you know what? I'm not sure, like I unpackaged this, like I got it out the package and I really wasn't convinced. Saw it on the website and thought it was really cute, but like in person until I tried it on, I wasn't sure is what I'm trying to say. But as soon as I tried this on as a set, I'm in love, like I'm absolutely obsessed. So it's basically a little crop top. It's this like fluffy material, which I think is what threw me off, because it is quite like fuzzy, but it actually works so well. So kind of like a raised hem at the back, I would say. It's not really a cut out, it just like comes up a fair bit, and then it's got this kind of like string running through the top, so you can basically tie this at the back like however you want to tie it. Neckline is really nice. Like I love just like simple crop tops as well with like just a round neckline. I feel like they look really pretty, and you can like pair them with like chunky chains really, really nicely. So obviously as well, it's a really, really gorgeous chocolate color. And then the trousers, again, I'm obsessed with. Like I just think they look so sick together. I feel like this is one of those two pieces that like I would only wear this as a set. I would wear the nude one like separately, but I feel like this works so well like all together. So this is what the trousers look like. They're kind of a similar concept in the sense that they're like dipped at the front of the waistline, and they also have this like string again going all the way round. I will say these are long. Like these are long, and I'm 5'6", so I feel like it's not very often that trousers are long on me, but I always think I would rather something be too long than too short, because obviously like you can just take the bottom up if you want to, but you can't like add extra fabric on. So yeah, again, they're like flared at the bottom, very, very slouchy, super comfortable on. Like the material's really, really soft, obviously with it being like fuzzy. So again, I feel like you could pair this really nicely with a pair of trainers, or again, you could dress it up with some heels if you wanted to as well. I think they also do this in like a sage green color. But I just thought the chocolate was so cute for like this time of year, so really, really love that. Okay, and then this dress actually has my heart. Like, not to be dramatic, but I am obsessed with this dress. Another like chocolatey piece that we've got here. Again, this is part of Carly's collection. This is like a ribbed like maxi or like mid-axi dress, I would say. Love the neckline on this especially. So it kind of like, you can see there what it's supposed to look like. It basically has this strap that you put around your neck, so it's like halfway between a halter neck, but then it's also got like long sleeves as well. Super flattering on. I got this in a size 6. Fits like an absolute dream. Really, really comfortable, like really soft in terms of the rib material as well. I feel like stuff like this is perfect for like day drinking, or like you could wear this like the Christmas market, so like a pair of boots. Obviously you could dress this up with heels as well if you wanted to. Like these kind of dresses that are like jersey, midi, like maxi dresses, I just think they're a really nice in between, because you could wear this for the day with some trainers or boots, but you could so easily then just put some heels on with it and make it more dressy as well. So definitely one of my favorite pieces. I really, really love that. And then similarly, I got another like mid-axi. Am I going to call it mid-axi? I feel like it is. It's like in between a midi and a maxi, so that's what we're going to go with. But I got another dress from Carly's collection as well in a cream colour. This again I got in a 6. I feel like they are actually a little bit big on me. Like I could have maybe done with a 4, and like I'm definitely not a size 4, so I feel like you can really size down in this collection if you want things a little bit more snug. But this is very similar to like the 2-piece that I got, in the sense that it has that same shape at the front with like the tassels. Kind of comes off the shoulder a little bit, which is really cute. I think I actually styled it fully off the shoulder in the try on clip, but you can actually wear it like partially off the shoulder. Kind of have this in mind for like either just like really simple strappy heels or like perspex heels. I think this would work really well, and like an oversized trench coat for like a night out or for like a date night or something. I feel like this would look really, really gorgeous. So absolutely love that. And then in terms of clothing, the last 3 pieces are all like jackets and coats. So firstly, this jacket that I saw on the website. Oh my god, I didn't actually realise that. But 1997 is my birth year. That's pretty cool. But I saw this jacket on the website. I love like the bomber jackets and the varsity jackets that MISSGUIDED do. I just think they're really, really great in terms of the quality. I love the fit of them. This one's obviously like more of like a pop of colour compared to the other one that I have from MISSGUIDED, which I'll pop a picture in of here, which is literally one of my most worn jackets. Like I love it so much. But I love the yellow on this. I feel like yellow and black is just like really, like a really nice combination for some reason. I have a pair of Jordans that are like black and yellow as well, so I thought they'd pair really, really nicely. But yeah, it's basically just like a racer style jacket with like some different like graphics on it. I didn't actually expect the material to be like such a soft cotton, but I kind of like that because I don't know, I feel like it's just something a little bit different, and obviously like it's more of a casual coat anyway, so I feel like you could just like pop this on with some joggers and like a hoodie or something, and it's definitely, it feels like heavy duty, like I feel like it would keep me really warm. I don't know what it is about this time of year, but suddenly just need every single like trench coat, like giant long line coat there is. Like I see them on the website and I'm just like, I need that. Like it just looks so cozy, like I'm obsessed. So this one I picked up in like a really gorgeous nude colour. It's got like chocolate tortoise buttons on it as well, which I thought was really, really cute. And then it does have pockets too. So absolutely love this. I got this in a size 10. I love the way this was styled on the model as well. I feel like with just like some leggings or like something really, really plain underneath and like a big oversized bag like and some boots, this would just look really cute for like a daytime outfit. And then the last coat I got, something a bit different for me. Again, it's like a long line trench coat. I actually prefer the fit of this one to the nude one. This one's a little bit more like flexible in terms of the material, which is really nice. Yeah, it's basically this like brown and black like dog tooth coat. Again, it's like a trench coat style. It's got like a big collar at the front, which I really, really love. Super long line. Like I just love a long coat in the winter time. I feel like the great thing is like when it comes to this time of year, you can literally put a coat on and like that is the whole outfit. Do you know what I mean? So it's like I don't really need to think too much about like what's underneath the coat, because if it's really cold outside, I can just put a coat on with a pair of boots and it looks really great and it's like so quick and easy to do. But yeah, really, really love this. Super, super comfortable on. It's quite like a soft material as well, which is nice. And I did like the, is it dogtooth pattern? That's what I want to say it's called. Like this pattern going all the way over, just for something a bit different and a bit more like loud when I'm in the mood to just wear something that's a bit more of like a statement coat, because I feel like all of my coats are like nudes, blacks, like just really neutral colours. So this is just something that I can pop in my wardrobe that's like a little bit different, but because it's brown and black, like it's still really easy to style. And then last but not least, I wanted to pick up this bag because MISSGUIDED bags I absolutely love, and I feel like I saw this on the website, kind of like gave me Bottega vibes with like the chain and the pouch and everything else. But yeah, it's basically this like chunky gold chain that goes into like a black pouch bag. I don't really own a bag like this, and I feel like black shoulder bags, you just always need one. Do you know what I mean? Like it's just one of those like wardrobe essentials that you always need, and I just love like the size of this. I feel like it's perfect size. I love the fact that it's like a chunky chain, because I really love like chunky chained bags at the minute. Like I feel like it is very like Bottega like inspired. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that I picked up from MISSGUIDED. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. As I said, everything will be linked down below, and I will leave my discount code in the description bar as well if you want to get anything for yourself. Definitely going to be lots of autumn winter hauls coming up, so I really hope you guys enjoy them. And yeah, I'm going to get going. I'm heading to the gym. Wish me luck, because literally all I've eaten today is like a bagel. I've been running around like a headless chicken, so fingers crossed I actually make it through this session. But yeah, I'm gonna get going. Thank you guys for watching as always. I love you, and I will see you in the next one.